Welcome to Computing Universe. Welcome, yeah, all. In this tutorial, we'll be talking about how to create hacking tools in Python. We'll be creating the tools from scratch, from the right beginning, from the script level to the GUI application. So make sure you stay tuned. If you've not subscribed to the channel, make sure you press the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that once the video has been done, you can get a notification. In this section, I'll walk you through step by step on how to get everything down. So in the next tutorial, we just start by making the application. Wow, hacking tools in Python. Many of you know about hacking, so I don't need to go deep in that. And you know tools used in hacking. So in this tutorial, in this section, our aim is to create our own tool in Python. Well, I name my own file. Make sure it's in everyone. If you create your file, I name my own evil file. So I'll be creating next. The next is the installation of a Python, and the third thing to do is what we will be doing with our own evil file. Well, I'm not responsible for any action any way. Use this for educational purpose only. So let's get our Python installed. I can just go to my browser to make sure you have Python. If you're a beginner, some of you might have Python already installed, so it works. Will be using Python 3. Python 3 years. You can just type Python. Wow, it brings you to the Python website, so you click on Python. So go to the download section. If you're on Windows, download for Windows. I'm using a Windows machine, so I'll be downloading for Windows. If you're on Mac, you download for Mac, and use a Linux, you can go for other platforms. So I'm on Windows, so I'm going for Windows. Make sure you download Python 3. This is the latest one. Any version of Python 3 will work. So I just go for the stable release. So, and the next thing to do is you need to I think you should check this one here. It will be the one you'll be downloading. I've already have it downloaded in my PC, so I don't need to download again. So I can just show you. As you can see, I have Python 3.8.5. Then you install it to your machine. As you can see, I already have it installed. So if you're just installing it, it will show you option to install and add to path. After adding it to path, just go to your CMD for confirmation to confirm whether it's been installed or not. Now press Python. Well, as you can see, I have it installed on my PC, so we're good to go. After we have Python installed in our PC, then we go all over to our desktop. I advise you to create the folder here in your desktop. So I name my own folder evil files. So it's inside this file we'll be creating our tools. And the playlist on my YouTube channel will be evil file. I'll compile everything inside. So which tool are we going to be developing first? I should give you a highlight about the tools we'll be developing. We'll be developing first a port scanner. We will write the script for the port scanner, and we will develop a GUI application that can be sent to other PC. And in the third tutorial, we'll be developing we'll be making a DDoS script. I know most of you know what does it. When we get there, I will explain much more better. For the sake of this tutorial now, you can see my evil file. After creating this evil file, you open it, and you create a file. Yeah, you create a file. Name it. The port scanner.py. Oops. You save us, so I got a little bit type of problem here. File postscanner.py. We'll be creating a PO file, and I'll be using Sublime Text as my text editor. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the tutorial from the right beginning to the end. We'll be creating all the tools from scratch. I know you don't want to miss it. Make sure you press the subscribe buttons so that you get notified once the video has been done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.